I'm excited. Have you guys tried this foundation yet? Let me turn it around so you know what I'm talking about. This is it right here. This is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. I think this is like the revamp of the Studio Fix that was like, you know, back in the day and whatnot. I did have it. I shade NW50. It's still saying the same, that, you know, that's what I'm gonna be. So I got this one, but they have a lot of claims on this one. Let's get into it. Lord, I left my readers in the front. Okay, this has a lot of skincare components in it. Okay, so it says here, 209% more hydrated skin instantly, 24-hour hydration, 80% skincare base with hyaluronic acid. Yo, that's a lot. That's a mouthful. Okay, medium buildable coverage, radiant glow finish, 12-hour wear, transfer resistant, non-crease, non-caking, does not clog pores. So I got a collar shirt on because I need to make sure I'm going out on a few. So I said, let me see how this collar shirt hangs. You know, because, you know, the little touchy. That's how you could tell. So here we are. Like I said, I have an NW50. And I just test color match myself how I normally do. I look here, you know, my hand and my face are two different shades. My thing is, if I get that good tone that I like, then I know it's gonna be good for my face, you know? Let's see. Okay, no shaking, no shaking. I just washed my brushes, y'all. It's nothing like having some clean brushes. I washed them all, even my new brushes. So let me grab one from over here. Let me use a nice little e.l.f. brush. Okay, the little lock thing. I haven't had a MAC foundation in so long. Am I doing it right? Okay, you gotta turn that way. Now, you guys know I love me a matte foundation. Let's get right into that piece. This here has 12-hour wear, which is not long wear. And it has all this glow and all these different things. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't never like to, you know, ooh. I didn't put no primer on. See, I did my brows, but I didn't put no primer. I'm gonna put this little Tosh on. I got a lot of samples, y'all. Look at all these samples I got here. So, we're gonna, let's put a little bit. I like the Tasha products. I know we're talking about MAC right now, but I do like the Tasha product. The skincare is just really, really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, let's go back. Ooh. Okay. Camera is looking good. This is looking real neutral. Real neutral. This is a good thing though. Hold on, let me just keep going. Let me not get too excited. This is blending in really good. Okay, first off, it's giving fresh face. It's not coming off as foundation. I only use a little bit of pump. I didn't use like a big pump or anything like that. Let's get this down. I didn't use a big pump. This is giving like my Dior. You know, my Dior is like very, very light. I love that foundation. But this is giving, does it smell like something? Do it smell like something? I don't know. I'm smelling something. Let me get you guys like right here because we're using natural light and I feel like we're going in and out, in and out. I don't want to go in and out on you. Okay, so this is giving healthy skin. And that's what we want. We don't want to look, you know, I'm using very small pumps. Very small pumps. Nothing too heavy. Dusting it across the face. I like the fact that I do see the radiance. You guys can probably see it as well. It's going on nice and light. It's going on, it feels like I'm putting on water, to be honest with you. Even though it does have some consistency to it, but it, like water. The way I feel, it feels super light. I think I'm confused. I'm remembering like back in the day, MAC, you know, it was always heavy, always thick. You know, it was MAC is more theater makeup, you know, very, very made up. This is giving very, very light. It's a lot of glow. This is a lot of glow, and this is more glow than your girl likes. Okay, so let's let me get my brows in order. I done messed up a little bit. Okay, so we're good. So let's put on some concealer. I done started already. This is the NARS Radiant Cream. I have a little bit left in here. As you guys can see, I'm barely getting it out. So I just want to finish this up. I love this. Is something that I will always have because it's just that good. So I have me some little sponges from, where I get these from? TJ Maxx. I don't even wet my sponges anymore. I just go in with the bounce. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I just want to see if it dries down a little bit, because you know, even though you may put something on that has all that luminous, that radiant feel, it may dry down eventually. So that's what I want to check out. So if you have this foundation, please let me know, you know, what shade you're in. You know, did you wear the, you know, the like the regular Studio Fix back in the day? Do you still wear it today? You know, what MAC products do you repurchase or purchase to kind of keep up, you know? Because MAC has always been here. It's just a matter of if you want to use it. It's so much makeup now. I remember like when I was like first starting out, you know, you had your other brands at your drugstore, you had everything like that, but MAC was like so prestige, you know. It's still prestige, but it's just like, if you want to get some lip gloss and you run around here pulling out lip gloss, you was doing a thing, you know. So that's how MAC was. And don't have like a chestnut pencil. And let me think about a gloss. I can't think of one right now. But if you had a chestnut pencil, you was doing it. You was doing it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like finish up my makeup, and we can talk some more and go. I don't want to make this like a whole, you know, makeup routine. But yeah, we're just gonna finish up the makeup. Okay, makeup is done. Let's put this color up somehow. So let me see. Let's do a little like that. All right. So far so good. I can't complain. One thing I can definitely say, the radiance is popping through. I like the fact that it has a skincare component. Skincare component is always a plus in any foundation. Just to kind of grab this box here and get us back up to speed. 80% skincare base is really good, you know, with anybody foundation. And I don't think anybody's doing that much. 24-hour hydration, that's good, especially if you have dry skin. And I do have normal to dry, but I'm more on the normal side when it comes to my face. So that's why I don't mind wearing a mattifying foundation. But I like the fact that it's medium to buildable coverage. Be very, very, very mindful of that. Also, it goes on rather light. It's really, really thin. I use very thin layers. I didn't go heavy at all. I pretty much used a normal foundation brush. I pumped very lightly, and here we are. This is a nice everyday foundation, ladies. If you're into it, if you want to explore back into the MAC world, if you haven't left the MAC world, if you want to get into the MAC world, if you have a dry skin and you don't mind a little, you know, you like that radiant look, this is right up your alley. I just want to do a quick little mini get in, get out, because I'm about to head out in the street and I want to try something. You know, Kelly, when are you gonna put this foundation on? And here we have it. I do like it. We're gonna do like a little cute little wear test to see how it holds up. Lately your girl has been a little extra warm lately, because you know the heat from the inside be wanting to come out. So if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. You can give me a fire emoji if you know what I'm talking about. Oh, my ladies, okay? But yeah, this is really, really nice. I love how it's smooth on the skin. Like you saw when I put it on, it was definitely nice and glowy and radiant. And I can definitely see that's gonna see through as the course of the wear of it. I'm looking up, I'm looking down, I'm looking at you. But yes, let me know. So far so good. Really, really nice. Good price point. You get a nice amount. Where did I put her? Oh, she's right here. Bottle is pretty. Nice and frosted, but again, this is Studio Radiance, so this is more on the glowy side. So yeah, there you go. Again, let me know. I want to repeat myself. Let me know if you have it, which shade do you have, and don't forget them fire emojis, because if you know what I'm talking about.